And then we have to look at the seminiferous tubules, right? So just inside the testes, we have what we call the seminiferous tubules. In the seminiferous tubules, we have what we call, cells of Leydig. I don't know whether that's really how it's pronounced, but yes, it's the cells of Leydig. So the cells of Leydig, which are found here in the seminiferous tubules, are responsible for the production of sperms, which is inside the testes, right? So don't get confused. And then we have the epididymis, which is an entangled like structure, right? So this is where the sperms are stored temporarily, right? So immediately the sperms are produced here. This is where they flow into the epididymis, and they are stored there just for a while. They don't stay there forever. Hence, we say that the function of the epididymis is stores sperms temporarily. Sure. And then after then, they go to the adduct-like structure, which we call the Vas Deferens, right? So the function of the Vas Deferens is that it also carries the sperms temporarily. So after the sperms are produced from the testes in the seminiferous tubules, they go to the epididymis, they go to the Vas Deferens, right? And then we're going to now discuss 3 important glands, which we call the accessory glands, right? So that is the seminal vesicle, the prostate gland, and the corpus gland. So together, they are called accessory glands, right? Please forgive me for like my drawing for the glands, but I hope you guys are going to be able to sort of familiarize yourself when you're using actual question papers, right? When you compare. Cool. So the function of the seminal vesicle, which is the first accessory gland, is that it provides nutrients for the sperms. So immediately the sperms get out of the Vas Deferens, they get into the seminal vesicle, right? To get what? To get nutrients. So we might as well say nutrients is actually food for the sperms, right? So that the sperm is actually able to survive, right? And not get destroyed by any conditions within the reproductive system. And then we have the second accessory gland, which is what we call the prostate gland. The prostate gland secretes semen and fluid for motility. So for the sperm to be able to swim through, it needs some fluid so that it's able to move, right? So therefore, that's where it gets it in the prostate gland. So it's found in the prostate gland. It's found